Baada ya mtoto Sagini kung'olewa macho na watu wasiojulikana, Gavana Simba Arati leo amemtembelea mtoto huyo katika hospitali ya macho mahali ambapo Sagini amelazwa. Katika ziara hiyo, Gavana Arati amelipa bili yote ya hospitali na pia kuahidi kuangalia maslahi ya mtoto Sagini na dadake mkubwa.
I want to thank the police. I'm told they are making, headways into the investigation of this issue. Seemingly, there is the older sibling of the boy who is also challenged in a certain way. But I've directed my officers, the ministers who are in charge, that they need to do immediate rescue, even for the bigger child, the sister, to our facilities. A facility that I want to see how it's operating. Other things work out for us to reawaken our awareness of how suitable our facilities again they are. I want to check how they are, what state they are. We have taken upon ourselves as a government, for the time being, we'll take care of the baby or the babies. Therefore, as a government, I've decided that I'll settle the bill with the hospital here where the baby was brought in. And at any given time that we found the other side of rehabilitation center is accommodative, therefore Daktari will release the baby to the facility. But more important, I want to ask that let us be our brother's keeper.
Vilevile, Arati ameahidi kuangalia na kutengeza kituo cha uokoaji katika kaunti ya Kisii.
I'm realizing we don't have a proper facility. And it has called upon my conscience now. Even the supplementary I was doing, I have to put some little money to make sure there is rescue center properly with the specialists, so that they can, because these are an incident, there are more incidents that are happening. Not necessary for the eye, for other social related issues. Therefore, I want to assure you that we are going, as a government, we are going to put some money into making sure there is a proper facility to deal with such kind of incidents.
Kwa upande wa gavana pia ameahidi na kuwahimiza watu kuwa macho na pia wazee wa ukoo, machifu na manaibu wao kuwajibika.
It is my humble request that those ones, the chiefs, the assistant chiefs, the clan elders, I'm sure where this incident happened, chiefs must be knowing that that family, it had a problem, and they should have put a cross eye to what was to happen, all the aspect of what was to happen.
Kwa upande wa hospitali, Daktari Daniel Kiage amesema kwamba afya ya mtoto ipo sawa, ila mtoto Sagini hatakuwa na uwezo wa kuona tena maishani.
We've been able to suture and control the infection and make sure the child is fine. Fortunately, the child is quite healthy, he's talking, he's walking around, although blind, and is actually healed. So he should be discharged. Unfortunately, since both eyes were completely removed, there's really nothing under the sun that can make this child see again. There's no technology or any knowledge in the world that can make this child see again. should be discharged. But as a hospital, we can't just discharge because we know that there are issues at home that need to be sorted out. That's why we are very happy that the government has come in to take over, especially the Ministry of Culture and Social Services, to know where can this child be rescued to, because there are issues now. There's the blindness, so there's visual rehabilitation. How does a child live like this? There are mental issues. The child is 3 years old, but even a 3-year-old requires, psychiatric care. And then how does a child live after this?